Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, we'll show you the iPhone 15 boot loop fix. So, you're watching this video because your iPhone 15 suddenly gets stuck in a boot loop where the Apple logo keeps appearing and disappearing repeatedly. We've all been there. You're playing some video games on iPhone 15 but it's randomly stuck on Apple logo coming and going constantly. Connect iPhone 15 on a charger but only get a stuck boot loop. iPhone 15 keeps blinking the Apple logo while doing an update, restore or data migration. iPhone 15 keeps entering a restart loop after iOS update. Generally, there are many things that can cause iPhone 15 reboot loop issue. Meanwhile, there are several things you can do to help with getting out of boot loop on iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's get into these causes and solutions now. 1. Plug iPhone 15 into power. The common cause for the constant restarting boot loop is the power issue. Your device won't boot up properly if the battery is too low. And the fix is to plug your iPhone 15 into power and keep it charged. If the iPhone 15 boot loop issue happens after putting it on charge, then you should check if the charging cable, charger or the wall power outlet is not working. Besides, it's advised to give the charging jack cleaned up. Then, see if your iPhone 15 gets out of the boot loop. 2. Take off the SIM card. The second common cause is the SIM card getting stuck. In this case, the iPhone 15 reboot loop fix is to remove the SIM card. Insert the SIM card removal tool into the small pinhole next to the SIM card tray. Then, pull out the tray and take off the SIM card. See if Apple iPhone 15 reboot loop stops. If not, move to the next step to do a force restart. 3. Refresh iPhone 15 with a force restart. Thirdly, a temporary software issue can also render iPhone 15 boot loop Apple logo problem. The solution this time is to force turn off your phone and then turn it back on. Now, use these gestures to force restart your iPhone 15. The instructions also work on an iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and keep holding it until the Apple logo pops up on the screen. When you see the lock screen again, it means that you managed to fix the constant restarting boot loop on iPhone 15. Just unlock the device for normal use. 4. Enter recovery mode to do an update or restore. Failed update installation and low storage space are the fourth common reasons why iPhone 15 gets stuck in reboot loop. In these cases, the solution is to put your iPhone 15 in recovery mode. Apple enables every users to update or restore an iPhone to fix the serious software-related problem in recovery mode. As the process might be a little bit complicated, we'll show you the details step by step. Use a cable to connect your iPhone 15 to a computer. Then, install and launch iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices application on your computer after you download it. Next, use these gestures to enter recovery mode in an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. When you see a computer, a USB cable, and a link showing up on a black screen, release the power button. It's a recovery mode screen. If you mistakenly let go of the button in the Apple logo screen, just repeat the steps above to enter again. In the window of iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices application, there will be a dialog box showing update and restore options. Choose Update option to install the latest iOS software. This is an iPhone 15 boot loop fix without losing data. Note that you're advised to choose to restore your phone only when the update option fails and you've backed up everything important on your phone. Then, finish the on-screen instructions until your iPhone 15 gets out of the restart loop and turns back on. 5. Take iPhone 15 to Apple Store. If even the restore and your iPhone 15 is still stuck in restart loop, contact Apple support. Remember to book an appointment online before you get there. Also, take your iPhone 15 as well as the charging cable to the store and the expert there will give you some guidance on how to get your iPhone 15 out of boot loop. That's all how to fix an iPhone 15 boot loop. Hope this video can help get your device out of the constant restarting Apple logo loop and get it up and running again. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.